Hello besties, welcome back to my space. In this video I am going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this beauty. Guys, look at this wig. I am going to show you guys how I was able to do everything from start to finish. Okay, if you follow what I'm going to show you in this video, definitely you will get something that is more cute than this. To my paying subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are yet to join the family, kindly hit that subscribe button. It's free of charge. Turn on notification bell so once I upload new videos, you will get notified. So guys, this is more like the continuation of the last video I uploaded. For this closure part, I have two parts and I'm making use of knotless braid. If you don't know how to do knotless braid, watch this video carefully. You will learn how to do knotless braid and also how to achieve knotless braid on braided wig. You are going to learn two things in this video. So after parting, I have to divide my hair into three. I did the first braid and then I started adding my extension. So this is the invisible way of you doing your knotless braid, the perfect way to do your knotless braid. So I braid, leaving one part of the attachment and then I add it later. There are still two ways you can do this, which I've already shared in one of my videos. Two ways you can do your knotless braid. Either use this one or the next one. So besties, if you don't know how I was able to get to this point, if you've not seen the beginning of this video to this point, please check back. You'll see the part one, the first set of this video where I showed you guys the beginning part, how to adjust your closures. So your closures, how to get your guidelines, and then move over to how to crochet, which was the second video. Then the third video was how to close up your closure part, the space between your closure and the cap. And then this is the end of those series. Okay, end of it. It is the last one, how you can now braid your closure part. I hope you guys follow through. If you've not watched any of this video, kindly go back and do justice to them. So I will show you guys this the second time. After I'm done parting my hair, I divide it into three and then I start to braid. And while braiding, make sure that the natural hair is well covered with your extension. Okay, make sure the natural hair is well covered with your extension. Guys, if you watched this point and you are yet to hit that like button, please consider doing that. If you know you've gotten any value from this video, like the video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. The comment section is always there for you guys to interact with each other and also interact with me. So when you want to add the extension in a way that the points you added won't be visible, this is the right way to add it. I've already showed you guys this several times of the right way for you to extend your extension when there's need for that. So I'll continue braiding, and when I'm done with the whole braid, the next thing is for me to carefully do my trimming, and again I have to apply hot water. If you want to know the best way to apply hot water on your braided wigs, let me know in the comment section. I will drop a video on that. And when I'm done trimming and applying my hot water, guys, this is the beauty. Just check this out. Check it out. Look at this beauty. So this is what you get when you follow all the tutorials, all the series I uploaded on this braided wig making. And again, you know, you are always free to place your order if you need something like this or any design of your choice, whether full lace, braided wig, whether it's frontal braided wigs or closure braided wigs. Let me know in the comment section. I'll drop your number or send me a DM with what you need, then we'll take it from there. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next upload. Bye. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share.